Let's discuss the typical macro-environmental issues impacting sourcing and procurement in manufacturing industry. 1. Economic conditions. Economic conditions such as recessions, inflation, and currency fluctuations can impact demand for manufactured goods, affecting procurement decisions. Key components that affect procurement in this area include the state of the economy, customer demand, and exchange rates. Key roles involved include procurement managers, financial analysts, and market researchers. Industry trends include shifts in global demand, rising inflation, and increasing global competition. Challenges in this area include managing costs and maintaining supplier relationships. IT functionalities leveraged in performing business operations include financial forecasting, demand planning, and supplier relationship management software. 2. Competition. Competition from both domestic and foreign manufacturers can affect the pricing and availability of raw materials and finished products, impacting procurement decisions. Key components that affect procurement in this area include the competitive landscape, pricing trends, and supplier relationships. Key roles involved include procurement managers, supply chain analysts, and market researchers. Industry trends include consolidation of suppliers, globalization, and increased focus on quality. Challenges in this area include managing supplier relationships and negotiating contracts. IT functionalities leveraged in performing business operations include supplier relationship management software, contract management software, and spend analysis software. 3. Technological advancements. Advances in technology are constantly changing the manufacturing landscape, and companies must invest in technology to remain competitive. This can impact procurement decisions by requiring manufacturers to keep pace with new technologies and changing consumer preferences. Key components that affect procurement in this area include the pace of technological change, consumer preferences, and supplier capabilities. Key roles involved include procurement managers, technology analysts, and research and development teams. Industry trends include automation, artificial intelligence, and Industry 4.0. Challenges in this area include managing technology investments and maintaining supplier relationships. IT functionalities leveraged in performing business operations include product lifecycle management software, supplier relationship management software, and technology forecasting software. 4. Raw material availability. The availability of raw materials, such as minerals and metals, can be affected by factors such as political instability, environmental regulations, and natural disasters. This can impact procurement decisions by affecting the availability and price of raw materials. Key components that affect procurement in this area include geopolitical risks, environmental regulations, and supplier relationships. Key roles involved include procurement managers, supply chain analysts, and risk analysts. Industry trends include increasing scrutiny of supply chains, rising material costs, and increased focus on sustainability. Challenges in this area include managing supply chain risks and ensuring supplier compliance. IT functionalities leveraged in performing business operations include supply chain risk management software and sustainability reporting software. 5. Sustainability. Manufacturers are under pressure to reduce their environmental impact and to offer sustainable products. This can impact procurement decisions by requiring manufacturers to consider the sustainability of the materials and products they use. Key components that affect procurement in this area include sustainability goals, supplier capabilities, and consumer preferences. Key roles involved include procurement managers, sustainability analysts, and research and development teams. Industry trends include increased focus on sustainable materials and products, pressure from stakeholders, and regulation. Challenges in this area include managing supplier relationships and ensuring compliance with sustainability standards. IT functionalities leveraged in performing business operations include sustainability reporting software, supplier relationship management software, and product lifecycle management software. 6. Regulations. Manufacturers must comply with a range of regulations, including those related to product safety, labeling, and environmental standards. This can impact procurement decisions by requiring manufacturers to consider the regulatory requirements when selecting materials and products to use. Key components that affect procurement in this area include regulatory requirements, supplier compliance, and consumer safety. Key roles involved include procurement managers, regulatory affairs specialists, and legal teams. Industry trends include increasing regulation, emphasis on safety and sustainability, and globalization of regulations. Challenges in this area include managing compliance risks and ensuring supplier compliance. IT functionalities leveraged in performing business operations include compliance management software, supplier relationship management software, and product lifecycle management software. We really thank you for your time spent on this session. Feel free to meet our partners by sending an inquiry email to contact us at t24global.com. Most of our partners have 15 to 20 years industry experience. So, please get in touch for any quick, managed business process and IT consulting needs.